Hi, I'm Belinda and today I'm going to show you how to make a lip plumping lip gloss using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log in and select the makeup program. Then select the lip gloss formula build and click Create. First, I'm going to pick the lipids, the oils and butters I want to use in this formula. I'm going to select some pomegranate oil and some mango butter for this formula. Next, I'm going to pick my consistency factor. And for this formula, I'm going to use the hydrogenated vegetable oil, so it's a real buttery feel on the lips. And I'm going to input this at 2.5%, so I get a really nice consistency to the product. I'm going to add a really small amount of mica because I want the real focus of this product to be from a beautiful red effects pigment. And I'm going to use that effects pigment at 5%, so it's a really bold red colour out of my lip gloss. Next, I'm going to add some antioxidant. And most importantly, now select my active. I'm going to use the Dihydrosome Plump because this is an active that has proven efficacy to plump the lips. It's really gentle on the lips and doesn't cause any stinging. I'm going to input this at 10% so I can get a really effective lip plumping lip gloss. Now I can click on Generate Method, and here is my formula and here is my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a lip plumping lip gloss using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own lip plumping lip gloss. Happy formulating!